Hi, if you're wondering whether the Google Pixel Watch 3 has a calculator, let's figure it out together. So, we're gonna start by pressing this crown to open list of apps. And here, simply search for calculator by rotating your crown to go through this list. And as you can see, unfortunately, we don't get pre-installed calculator, but don't worry, we can install this app. For that, find your Play Store in the list, open it, tap on search bar and just say calculator. Tap check mark and tap here to search for this app. And now it appears in the list, so select it and then tap blue button to install this app. Now we are just waiting, so it's downloading this app and we'll be able to open it just in a few moments, so be patient and wait. And that's it, now calculator is installed, so we can go back in our apps list and now it appears right here. We can open it and use it like we would normally do. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.